There are high-tech cameras installed by traffic police along the expressway at total 6 locations on both the sides. These cameras capture almost all types of violations, including the front passengers not wearing seat belts, driver using mobile phone while driving, lane cutting, two-wheelers or three-wheelers entering the highway. These cameras cover the main carriageway as well as the service road, so it has wide coverage and it captures these violations on the service road as well. These cameras also capture overspeeding. The way these cameras capture overspeeding is not like earlier ways where once the vehicle passes below it, it just captures the speed and displays uh, the speed of the vehicle. These are much more smarter cameras and capture the number plate as well as the time at which the vehicle has entered the first cameras or crossed the first cameras, and when the vehicle crosses the second cameras, it calculates the distance and the amount of time that the vehicle has taken to cover that distance. For example, let's say the cameras are placed at a distance of 20 km along the expressway. When your vehicle passes below the first location, the cameras capture number plate and the time, and when the vehicle crosses the second location, that time also it does the same and calculates the time your vehicle has taken to cross this 20 km distance. If the permissible speed of the expressway is 100 km per hour, then ideally your vehicle should take 12 minutes to cover a distance of 20 km, considering you are going by 100 km per hour maximum. So net you should cover the distance of 20 km within 12 minutes or more if you are following the speed limit. But if your vehicle takes less than 12 minutes, that means you have done overspeeding, and an automated system will immediately generate a challan for the vehicle number, and traffic police may flag down your vehicle at the next toll and collect the fine from you for all the violations that you have done while the vehicle was on the expressway. So you need to ensure that you always follow the speed limit throughout the journey. It's not just when you see the cameras. Throughout the journey you have to follow the speed limits, then only you will not get any challan and you don't have to pay any fine. And personally, as a responsible vehicle user, I feel this is a good initiative. I really appreciate this, and I hope the traffic police installs these kind of cameras across all the expressways to start with, and gradually or in future it gets installed on all the national highways as well. So you feel much safer when you have these kind of restrictions in place and people are getting fined immediately for the violation. So this will help in reducing the violations. So best way here is to be in the middle lane with a speed of 90. Please forward this video to all your friends and all your other contacts so that they also understand this new initiative by traffic police and everybody follows all the traffic rules while they are on the expressway. Not only while on the expressway, but on all the highways wherever they drive.